Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy. Now, some time ago, when I very first started YouTube, I did a video showing how to make the magic loop. And it's quite an old video now. So as I'm a little bit more used to filming now, I'm going to do it again, and I'm going to do a left-handed and a right-handed version. Now, a lot of videos that you see on how to do the magic loop, I know there are a lot of people that even once they've seen it a few times, still find it hard. So I'm going to show you a very, very easy way that you can do the magic loop. Because basically the magic loop is just an open slip knot. So it's not as hard as it looks. And there are very, very easy ways. So you can use, I'm using a chunky yarn and a nice big crochet hook to show you. But obviously you can do this with the correct crochet hook, any size you want. So it is very, very simple. So all you do is you have the yarn facing this way and you make a loop. Simple as that. Now you can either pull the yarn through yourself. So if I were making a slip knot, I would now just pull it. But I'm not making this open slip knot, in other words, magic loop. So I've got my loop there. Now you can either, as I said, just get the kink out. There we are, got a nice round circle. You can either pull your loop through, or I just grab my crochet hook and bring it through. So there we have it, done. All you need to do now is one chain to secure it. And you've done your magic loop. It's very, very simple. I'll show you again. I was taught to make my slip knot exactly this way. Just to go behind, make a loop, take the yarn behind and pull it through. So there you have your magic loop. All done. Couldn't be more simple. You just do your chain. I find it easier to do it with my my hook. I'll show you one more time. So simple. All the wrapping around your finger is unnecessary. You just pull that through, hold on to it and do one chain. And you can pull this to make it smaller or larger. And there's your magic loop. All done. Simple as that. So I hope that's been helpful for you. And I'll show you once more how I was taught to do the slip knot. Just to make that loop exactly the same. Put the yarn through there and pull it, and you've made a slip knot. No wrapping around your fingers, no pulling one over the other and then over the other again. Just simple. Make a loop. The yarn then goes behind it. Pull it through with your crochet hook, and then all you have to do is one chain and you're well away. So thank you for watching. Hope that's been helpful for you. Until next time, bye for now.